Hi there. I'm gonna tell you about the way you can create your work cloud using the website WorkArt, and also how to publish or embed it in your e-portfolio in Weebly.com. So first of all, you need to go to workart.com. You need to register using your Gmail account, and after that, you click on Create Now. Okay, once you're there, what you need to do is to click on Create again. It takes a little bit while it charges, and then you have here the option to update with the words that you need. Remember that the assignment is to think about 20 words to describe your personality. You can use the words that we have been working during this week through Quizlet or through EducaPlay, but also you can use other words that are about your personality. The idea is to do a word cloud about you, about your personality. So let's say that I am a loyal person, and then I could add another word telling that I am an intelligent person. Oops. Okay, then I am gonna make sure I add also weaknesses, like I am a bad-tempered person, but also I can say that I am a bossy person. If I wanna add other words, I can click on Add, and there you can type other new word. Remember that in total you need to add 20 words. So let's say that I'm also a nature lover, and I want to add another word, which is gonna be sensitive. Sensitive. Make sure that spelling is correct because it's part of the activity and part of your grading. So after you click and type the 20 words, you can choose the shape, you can change the font, you can change the layout, you can change the style. But what we are doing right now is to click on shapes. So you need to choose one of these shapes that matches your personality. For example, in my case, I'm an animal lover, so I could pick the butterfly. But if you are a very happy person, you can pick this one, which is an emoji, a happy emoji, or you can pick any of these images. Just make sure they are for free, okay? Well, as I told you, I'm gonna pick the butterfly for this example. Where is it? Okay, right here. So once I pick my font and my shape, and I have already typed the 20 words, I'm gonna click on visualize. So I'm gonna wait for it to charge. It's gonna take a little bit, and then the magic is done. You have your word cloud with the shape you picked. That's it. So, as I told you, you can change the color, you can also change the font if you don't like it. Well, once you have it, what you need to do is to share it. Remember that the assignment is to upload it or embed it in your e-portfolio in Weebly.com. So, we click on share, and as you can see, here is the embed code. Always the embed code is gonna be in between this. Okay, so look at me right now, in between this. So I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna make it public, and I'm gonna copy the number 2. Okay, I don't copy this one, but I copy the number 2, the number 2 code. So I copy the link, and then what I do is to go to my Weebly, okay? Remember that Weebly is our e-portfolio. So after you personalize all this stuff here, your picture, your information about myself, the next thing that you are uploading is your word cloud. So remember, you are going to look for this sign again, which is the embed code, and you are going to drag it to the place or the spot in the e-portfolio where you want to put your word cloud. Okay, I'm going to click here in set in custom my HTML code. I'm going to click on edit. Then what I do is to paste my code, but I want it a little bit bigger than it was in the word art originally. So what I can do is to add another number here, another size. So let's say that I want it this wide and I want it this height, okay? Which means that it's going to be a little bit bigger than it was in the word art page, okay? Well, so as soon as I have this, what I'm going to do is to publish it, because if you don't publish it, you won't be able, oh my God, what I did here. Okay, you won't be able to see it. Okay, let me see. Okay, so you publish it, okay? Remember to, I don't know what I did. I think I went to another website. Yeah, right here. So you guys need to publish it. Publicar, you need to publish it. Otherwise, your teachers are not going to be able to see the information you are logged there. So, well, let's say I am going to show you the result. This is not the original one because this is one that I made before, but it's going to be like this, okay? Just once. This was something that I was doing before, trying to practice, but this is the way it is going to look, okay? Depending on the shape you select, it's going to be like this. I have a lot of them here, but it's just an example. You just have to do one. Well, as soon as you finish that, remember that you need to share your link with your teacher, okay? In my case, Teacher Janet, I want you to send me an email or answer the question in Google Classroom with your link to your Weebly. So I don't need you to send me your word art. I need you to send me your link, okay? Make sure you do that before Monday, July the 27th at 1 o'clock. Hope this tutorial has helped you and have a good one. Bye-bye.